Have you ever wondered how engineers make a spring with every single coil spaced to within a fraction of a millimeter? At first, the process looks surprisingly simple. A piece of spring steel is heated and secured in the machine. Then, the mandrel starts rotating, pulling the steel around itself. But the real magic is in controlling the spring's pitch. Engineers can make tightly wound springs with almost no gap between the coils. They can create springs with wide spacing, and they can even change the pitch from one section to another. And none of this happens by accident. From the very beginning, engineers have to account for the biggest enemy of precision, spring back. As the steel is being coiled, the mandrel doesn't just rotate, it also moves sideways. When the rotation speed and lateral movement are perfectly synchronized, each full rotation creates exactly one pitch. But spring steel isn't clay. Once the holding force is released, the metal naturally tries to spring back toward its original shape. That's called spring back. That's why some springs need an additional pitch setting process after they're coiled. A pressure roller is inserted between the coils and gradually adjusts the spacing until every coil reaches the exact dimensions specified by the engineer. Because a properly made spring isn't just supposed to bounce. Every time it's compressed, every coil has to work together in precisely the rhythm the engineers designed.